Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Deepseek, a platform that's been making significant waves in the artificial intelligence landscape. Over the next few minutes, we'll discuss what Deepseek is all about, explore its standout features, discuss its pricing structure, weigh its pros and cons, and ultimately assess whether it's truly the future of AI or just another passing hype. Let's get started. Deepseek is a Chinese AI company that has recently garnered significant attention in the tech industry. Its latest model, Deepseek R1, has been lauded for achieving high performance with reduced computational resource requirements, offering an economical solution for AI applications. This efficiency makes advanced AI more accessible to a wider audience. The platform has been recognized for its innovative approach, particularly in developing cost-effective AI solutions. DeepSeek's R1 model has been compared to OpenAI's ChatGPT, with some reports suggesting that DeepSeek's model achieves comparable performance while utilizing fewer resources. However, it's important to note that DeepSeek has faced scrutiny and criticism. OpenAI has accused DeepSeek of training its chatbot using ChatGPT's responses, suggesting unethical behavior. Despite these allegations, DeepSeek's model includes genuinely inventive features, highlighting the complex nature of innovation and competition in the AI industry. Now let us talk about the main features of Deepseek. Deepseek offers a range of features designed to cater to both individual users and developers. Advanced Language Model. Deepseek R1 is an open source model that rivals leading AI models in the market. It's available on web, app, and API platforms, providing flexibility in how users can interact with the AI. High performance. The platform boasts significant improvements in inference speed over previous models. Benchmark test indicates that DeepSeek v3 tops the leaderboard among open source models and rivals the most advanced closed source models globally. Accessibility. DeepSeek is available across multiple platforms, including web-based interfaces and mobile applications, ensuring users can access the AI's capabilities on the go. API integration. For developers, DeepSeek offers an API platform allowing for seamless integration of its AI capabilities into various applications. The API is designed to be user-friendly and cost-effective, making it an attractive option for businesses looking to incorporate AI into their products. Now let us talk about the pricing of DeepSeek. One of DeepSeek's standout aspects is its cost-effectiveness. API pricing. DeepSeek's API is highly cost-effective, offering competitive pricing at $0.14 per million input tokens and $0.28 per million output tokens. This affordability, combined with its robust capabilities, makes it an ideal choice for businesses and developers seeking powerful AI solutions. This pricing structure makes DeepSeek an attractive option for businesses and developers looking to integrate AI capabilities without incurring substantial costs. Now, what are the pros and cons of using DeepSeek? Let's talk about the advantages and potential drawbacks of DeepSeek. First, the pros. Cost-effective. DeepSeek offers competitive API pricing, making it an affordable choice for businesses and developers. Open source innovation. The publicly available model weights encourage community-driven improvements and adaptations. Performance. Competitive benchmark scores indicate capabilities on par with or exceeding industry leaders. How about the cons? Ethical concerns. DeepSeek has faced allegations of training its chatbot using ChatGPT's responses, raising questions about its data sourcing practices. Security issues. Some countries have banned DeepSeek from government systems due to national security concerns, which may affect its adoption in certain regions. Limited features. Compared to competitors like ChatGPT, DeepSeek lacks certain functionalities such as a memory function and advanced voice mode. DeepSeek represents a significant development in the AI landscape, particularly with its cost-effective and efficient AI models. Its open source approach and competitive performance metrics position it as a promising player in the industry. However, the platform is not without its controversies. Allegations of unethical data practices and security concerns have led to bans in certain regions, highlighting the importance of ethical considerations in AI development. But in conclusion, while DeepSeek offers innovative and accessible AI solutions, potential users should weigh the benefits against the ethical and security concerns. As with any technology, it's crucial to consider both the capabilities and the broader implications of its use. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore ChatGPT by OpenAI, Claude AI, and Google Gemini. That wraps up our detailed review of DeepSeek AI. I hope this provides you with everything you need to know. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.